So here's my honest feedback for young drivers that are trying to get insurance, and it just seems like it's just way too hard, and the insurance companies are just charging you way too much. Here's my honest opinion. So you're a teenage driver, you're a younger driver, you're trying to find cheap auto insurance, and it's literally just impossible. Well, listen, obviously, as an insurance agent, everyone is going to advise you to get more liability limits. That's just a fact. However, some insurance is better than you driving with no insurance. So this is my personal advice. I don't recommend you going out and go buying a 2023 vehicle, 2024 vehicle. Get yourself an older car that you can potentially pay cash for, because that's going to save you a lot of money long term, especially in your insurance, because you're going to have a $500 car note, and then you're going to end up paying $500 a month for your auto insurance, and that's $1,000. That's ridiculous. So this is my honest opinion. Get yourself a older vehicle, like an '05, an '10, or '10, a 2010 vehicle. And then for your liability limit, now this is the most important part, bodily injury. Your liability is what protects you in case you get into an accident, hit someone else, and they decide to sue you for everything what that accident's worth. So yes, it is important to carry high liability limits, but again, if it's your first time getting insurance and you can't afford something, then again, some insurance is better than none. So just get the state minimum. Do I recommend it long term? Absolutely not. Reevaluate it in 6 months, talk with your agent, see if you can increase it, long term. But again, get yourself a policy that you can still drive off a car lot, do whatever you need to do. It still gives you insurance, so you still are legal to drive, but it's not the best policy for you right now. Again, that's why you want to reevaluate it in 6 months. So, uninsured and underinsured coverage. It works the same thing as your liability limits, but in reverse. If someone hits you and they don't have coverage, or they don't have enough insurance to cover your medical expenses, then you can file a claim on your uninsured and underinsured motorist to help get that recovered for you. So comprehensive coverage, okay? I first want to start off by saying there's no such thing as full coverage. But if you walk up to an insurance agent, they're going to know what you mean. Full coverage means that you have your liability limits, you have comprehensive collision, rental car, roadside assistance, uninsured and underinsured. It just means that you have the full arsenal worth of coverages, pretty much, okay? So your comprehensive coverage that is there in case there's fire, theft, vandalism, breakage of glasses, anything along those lines, anything other than a collision is considered to be comprehensive. So if something happens to your windshield, you can file a comprehensive claim. In fact, there's some states that have a $0 deductible, even if you have like $1,000 comprehensive deductible. There's some states